welcome back to my channel. Tomorrow, Alice got 3 scoop. 3 scoop. ခပ်ပြပြသွားမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဒီ scoop ထဲမှာဗာလေးပါလဲဆိုတော့ cinema roll sticker, fruit ကကြတော့ blind bag, show name card sticker, yellow clips note, blue က capybara sticker, pink က pencil, green က book လေးပါပါတယ်အများကြီးပါတယ်ပေါ့နော် So let's start it now. ဒီဗီဒီယိုလည်းအစနေဆုံးကြည့်ကြပါအောင်ရှင် Okay, okay, yeah, wait. Okay, yeah. Pali so yellow clips got no lay baba no lay pizza pink pencil baba pizza cinema sticker baba okay type baba okay cinema sticker no okay cinema sticker pop up sticker li no pizza yellow got notes pink pencil inu yang li ice cream li type baba note li ya le to hla ba ya yang li ba sticker li ya le khan yang yang li a nyai ba khan yang li sticker li a nyai ba Okay, now let's scoop. Turn like that. Nhai cho bà đi. Fruit lấy dài cho con nó là gì là? Nhai về. Clip gì vậy? Biết chưa? Okay. Okay. Pink cái dài rồi, pink cái là cool. Yellow cái là cool, blue cái dài rồi là cool. Okay. Pink cái là cool. Cái cái sao rồi? Mà thay vào đây vậy. Hamburger got a neon, watermelon was saying liver. Pink and the cool, yellow got the cool one, no? Yellow got the cool, blue got capybara sticker. Capybara sticker. Dali table liver. So, what's cool one, no? Holy dear. Holy yeah. Probably blind bag. Oh yeah. Okay. I think I'm ready. The cool right. I think the cool. Oh, the cool jar pink one, no? The luck man be jar. Can't have it. I saw screw cut in Yeah, cinema sticker. Type na. Pizza pencil. Shallow. Okay, type na. Cinema sticker one no. Sticker so dali type le ba. Pink ကကြတယ် pencil ကိုအဲ့ဒါကမတူရဲ့ဟာလေးမရှိရသေးဆိုမတူရဲ့ဟာလေးကကြတော့ pink ရှိ pink လေးထည့်လိုက်ပြီမို့နော် pink ကကြတော့ဘာကြောင့်လဲဆိုတော့ကြတော့ candy pink ပြီးတော့ရှင် yellow ဟုတ်တယ် yellow ပေါ့နော် yellow လေးကျတော့နော် Chris Golden အများကြီးရပါတယ် Oh my god. So amazing, yeah, man. Look, that's 3 scoop then a buyer, so I'm going to my melody cereal sticker, capybara sticker, because note guard don't cool. Yo sticker, the cool. Pizza pencil got lay down. Bye bye. Thanks for watching my video.